Chiang Mai's coconut market is set in a shady grove of coconut trees, creating a relaxed family atmosphere where authentic craft stalls overflow with variety and charm. You can browse traditional crafts, colourful clothing and unique jewellery alongside coffee carts serving freshly brewed local blends. The air is filled with the aroma of northern Thai street food as local vendors cook traditional dishes right in front of you, while juice stands, coconut treats and natural products like oils and soaps round out the experience. This mix of atmosphere, flavour and creativity made the coconut market one of our favourite markets yet. Join me, Ali the Vet, and the ever-adventurous Graham on this walking tour through Chiang Mai's vibrant coconut market.
Taxi?
Taxi, no.
Taxi, no, we've only just got here. And
We've just come from the old city
Yep.
where we're staying, and we've just come to this market, which is, what's it called? This
it's the
market?
coconut market. We're well out of town, you can see the hills and beautiful, clear, crisp, fresh morning, and we thought we'd come to a different market. I think this one is a little bit more locally homegrown kind of vibe and not the commercial feel of some of them in town.
Is this market here every day?
Friday to Sunday on the sign over there, 8 a.m. to 3. So that's why we come today, because we're off on Sunday. But should we go have a look?
The coconut market is the best market in Chiang Mai if you are looking for handcrafted souvenirs and clothes, as well as tasting Thai and Western foods cooked right in front of you. We got there just before midday, so some of the stalls were just opening up. We do recommend getting there early to beat the crowds, so you can find a quiet place to sit under the coconut trees to enjoy your picnic while watching the tadpoles in the ponds.
You hungry here?
Durian milk, here you go, try that. Coconut pancakes. Crispy pork. Anyone for some pork crackling? Maybe we don't have the eggs. Boiled eggs on a stick. Some quite lovely areas we can go and explore later.
Yeah.
Just walking around in the shade.
Never brought my drone.
Nah. Hello. It's quite peaceful out here, isn't it?
It's very nice. Nice and cool. So I've seen two things I like so far.
Yeah.
One is the oyster omelette,
Yep.
which is what we had in Penang. And this here looks quite nice. I've been aiming up for bacon at least. The 59 is probably about
$3. Yep. Yeah, they look pretty good. Go and get yourself a burger. Mouth watering yet?
It's looking good.
We wander the network of bamboo bridges and the coconut tree-lined canals to find a likely spot to eat our food. Our top travel tip for travellers in Thailand? Always have some paper tissues and hand sanitizers in your bags so you are ready to eat at a moment's notice. The food is so delicious here. And it's wonderful to see so many handmade crafts and clothes for sale, supporting the work of local people, as opposed to mass-produced trinkets imported from China.
Really? Nice to see people hand making things. Yeah, it's not mass produced.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Nothing really is the same. It's all beautifully done. They were super cute, aren't they? I'm just enjoying that people are making things, and it's fantastic.
You ever see this sort of stuff in the mall?
No,
This, yeah.
it's very unique. Some really cool one. I saw them grinding it. Like, this is all handmade stuff. It's all pretty cool. Feel a pomegranate juice coming on?
Yeah, I might have a pomegranate, no sugar.
Yep.
You like a pomegranate juice?
I'd love that. I'm amazed how much is actually coming out of the juicer from just a couple of tablespoons of
already one นะคะ
Thank you. They had a bee. There are bees.
Thank you ค่ะ
They're friendly bees. It says the bees are harmless.
How be you with your bee juice?
It's not bee juice, it's pomegranate juice. That's from the bee lady. Well, if you want to come for a real unique experience, this is not like a mass-produced market. A couple of markets we went to in Lenkawe, every 50 metres, you'd be selling this, and then you go along a bit, and then the same thing would be sold, another 5 stalls along. And like, after you'd been to, say, 10 different stalls, it was just a repetition, whereas we've walked this whole place. Everything is, even coffee guy, making Ethiopian coffee. You can come and get coffee, it's like the dripped coffee, it looks like nice coffee, and look at that little place. It's just these little unique little places just where you can come and just sit, check your messages, scroll your social media, sit here in the sun under the coconuts with all the water around, and there's tadpoles in all of the waterways. And imagine coming here when the frogs are croaking. I like frogs. What's that?
Probably a wind chime. It's quite realistic, isn't it?
Oh, I thought it was a real pet.
If you are visiting Chiang Mai, make sure you include this special market in your itinerary. It's just a short drive away from the old city, close to the Ping River, and easily reached by tuk-tuk, taxi or grab ride.
Smells like coconut. Would you like to be famous?
Yes I would like to be a superstar like and subscribe
Come and buy some of your uncles or your father or your
Father.
Your father.
Your face look alike?
Oh, look at that. It looks delicious.
Yes. Delicious. Look at my belly.
Too much good food.
A-roi Mak.
Yes. Very delicious.
We hope you have enjoyed visiting this market with us. It's such a lovely setting.
In just a chilled vibe. So what else is happening this afternoon?
Putting me outside my comfort zone a little, and maybe you as well. We've got invited to join the weekly Nomad Summit podcast this afternoon. That'll be a recording of us answering questions about our nomad life. Never done a podcast before. Yep, freaking out a little.
Well, it's not like we're famous. It might only be one person watch it. So just imagine that you're talking to a couple of cabbages in a paddock.
What did they say on the best exotic marigold hotel? How do you do public speaking without feeling intimidated?
Pretend that they're all naked.
Join us this afternoon for the Nomad Summit weekly podcast.